Okay, so what in the world just happened, and why are we talking about zombies in math class? I hope I can help you answer that question. Um, this activity is a great illustration of our next unit, which is on exponential functions. And today we're going to look at a specific type of exponential function called a geometric sequence. And all exponential functions are geometric sequences. All geometric sequences are exponential functions. On day one, let's think about the zombie activity for just a second. On day one, the only person that was infected was your teacher. So that was one person. But on day two, your teacher infected another person. That was two people. And then those two people went and affected two more. So how many people were infected on day three? It's okay to answer out loud. Right, 4. Okay? And then those 4 went and infected 4 more. So how many were infected on day 4? 8. And then those 8 went and infected 8 more. So how many were infected on day 5? 16. And then if there were enough students on day 6, those 16 would have gone and infected 16 more, which would have left us with 32. Now, more than likely, your day 6 had less than that, depending on the amount of students in your class, and not all 16 could go find another to infect. So you would have had 32 if we had had enough students in the room, and then 64, and then 128, and so on. So what is happening between these numbers each time? You're right, they're all being multiplied by 2 by the previous term. If we look at these numbers in a list, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and you could even continue this pattern with 64, 128, 256, and so on. If you look at this pattern, this is called a geometric sequence, and we're about to see that in our notes. But I just wanted to kind of give you a visual representation of a geometric sequence or an exponential function. So keep that in mind as we look at our notes in Algebra Nation.